Hello and welcome to the part 2 from install CentOS 7.1 lesson. We will discuss the software section in this lesson. As you see in the software selection, we have the installation source and the software selection. From the installation source, we can choose the source which will be used to install the CentOS. Also, we can add additional repositories to install additional softwares during the CentOS installation process. Okay, let's double click the installation source. We will just check the installation source, so I am not going to modify anything here. As you see, the installation source auto detected the installation media. The installation media in our case is the CentOS 7.1 ISO image, which I downloaded from CentOS website. From on the network, you can install CentOS from a URL, FTP server, or from network file system. As you see, this option is disabled because we didn't enable the network card, but don't worry, we will check this option in the advanced CentOS installation lesson. The last thing we should know here is that we can add additional repositories from here. Simply click on the plus icon to add additional repositories, but I am not going to add any repositories, so let's click on done. Now to the last part in this lesson, the software selection. From the software selection, you can select the softwares you need to install on your system, and as you see, it's set to minimal install. So if we left this as minimal install, the system will install Linux without GUI and without additional softwares. Okay, now let's click the software selection. As you see here from the left side, we have many base environments. I need to install KDE Plasma Workspace, so I will go down and select KDE Plasma Workspace. From the right side, you can install add-ons for your base environment selection, but I am not going to install any add-ons. Now let's go up and click on done to save our modification. As you see now, the system is checking for software dependencies. And now the minimal install, change it to KDE Plasma Workspace. And by that we get to the end of part 2 from install CentOS 7.1 lesson. Thank you for watching and see you in the third part.